Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best high-end rice cookers of 2026, Best Premium Electric Rice Cookers. Whether you're preparing fluffy white rice, nutritious brown rice, sushi rice, jasmine rice, quinoa, porridge, or steamed vegetables, a premium rice cooker can completely transform your cooking experience. Today's high-end models feature advanced induction heating, pressure cooking technology, fuzzy logic controls, multiple cooking programs, non-stick inner pots, keep warm functions, delayed timers, and energy-efficient operation that consistently deliver restaurant-quality results. These smart appliances automatically adjust temperature and cooking time to ensure every batch is perfectly cooked without constant monitoring. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or entertaining guests, investing in a premium rice cooker saves time while delivering consistently delicious meals. In this guide, we'll explore the best high-end rice cookers available this year and explain what makes each one stand out. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get cooking. Starting off with the Cuckoo Commercial Rice Cooker. This large-capacity model is designed for users who frequently prepare rice for large families, restaurants, catering businesses, or special gatherings. Built with commercial-grade durability, it delivers dependable performance while maintaining excellent cooking consistency even during continuous daily use. Its spacious cooking capacity allows users to prepare large batches of rice without sacrificing texture or flavor, making it an excellent choice for busy kitchens. Multiple cooking functions provide flexibility for preparing white rice, brown rice, mixed grains, porridge, and other popular dishes with minimal effort. The durable inner pot distributes heat evenly for consistent cooking results, while the automatic keep warm function maintains serving temperature without drying out the rice. The simple control panel makes operation straightforward despite its advanced capabilities, and the sturdy construction is built to withstand years of heavy use. Users consistently praise its reliability, large capacity, and ability to produce perfectly cooked rice batch after batch. Next up is the Aroma Housewares Commercial Rice Cooker, a dependable appliance that combines generous cooking capacity with simple operation and consistent performance. Designed for large households, community events, restaurants, and catering services, this rice cooker makes preparing large quantities of rice quick and effortless. Its efficient heating system cooks rice evenly while minimizing the risk of burning or uneven texture. Once cooking is complete, the automatic keep warm function activates to keep rice fresh and ready to serve for extended periods without additional supervision. The removable non-stick inner pot makes both serving and cleanup remarkably easy, while the durable exterior is designed to handle frequent everyday use. Large carrying handles improve portability, making it easier to transport during events or commercial use. Users appreciate its dependable operation, generous capacity, and straightforward controls that require very little learning. Moving on, the Cuckoo High-Pressure Rice Cooker brings advanced cooking technology into the modern kitchen with premium pressure cooking performance and intelligent controls. Using high-pressure cooking combined with advanced heating technology, this rice cooker produces rice with exceptional texture, enhanced flavor, and consistent moisture retention. Intelligent cooking programs automatically adjust cooking temperature and pressure according to the selected rice type, ensuring optimal results for white rice, brown rice, mixed grains, porridge, and specialty recipes. The sealed pressure system also helps preserve nutrients while reducing overall cooking time compared to conventional rice cookers. Its premium non-stick inner pot promotes even heat distribution while making cleanup fast and easy. The digital control panel offers intuitive operation, allowing users to select from multiple cooking modes with minimal effort. Additional features such as delayed start and extended keep warm functions add even greater flexibility for busy households. Users consistently praise its restaurant-quality rice, quiet operation, and premium construction. The Toshiba Induction Heating Rice Cooker stands out by utilizing induction heating technology to provide remarkably even heat distribution and highly precise temperature control throughout the entire cooking process. Unlike traditional heating systems, induction heating warms the entire cooking pot evenly, resulting in rice with consistent texture, improved flavor, and superior moisture balance. Intelligent cooking programs automatically optimize temperature and cooking duration for different rice varieties including white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, jasmine rice, and mixed grains. Additional cooking modes expand its versatility beyond rice, allowing users to prepare porridge, soups, steamed dishes, and slow-cooked meals. The premium nonstick inner pot is designed for durability while simplifying cleaning after every meal. Its modern digital display and intuitive controls make selecting cooking programs easy even for first-time users. The automatic keep warm feature maintains ideal serving temperature without drying out the rice, making meal planning more convenient. Finally, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker earns the top spot as our favorite premium rice cooker for 2026 thanks to its legendary reliability, exceptional cooking performance, intelligent technology, and compact design. Although designed for smaller households, couples, and individuals, this premium rice cooker delivers restaurant-quality rice with remarkable consistency every single time. Its advanced fuzzy logic technology continuously monitors and adjusts cooking temperature and timing throughout the cooking cycle, ensuring every grain is evenly cooked regardless of rice variety. Whether preparing white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, jasmine rice, porridge, or specialty grains, the Zojirushi consistently produces soft, fluffy, and flavorful results with minimal effort. The high-quality non-stick inner cooking pan promotes even heat distribution while making cleanup quick and simple. Additional features such as delayed timer settings and automatic extended keep warm mode provide excellent flexibility for busy schedules, ensuring perfectly warm rice whenever you're ready to eat. The user-friendly control panel and clear digital display make operation effortless, while the compact footprint saves valuable counter space without sacrificing performance. All of these premium rice cookers offer unique advantages depending on your cooking needs. The Cuckoo Commercial Rice Cooker excels with its commercial-grade capacity and dependable performance. The Aroma Housewares Commercial Rice Cooker provides generous cooking volume with simple operation. The Cuckoo High-Pressure Rice Cooker delivers outstanding texture through advanced pressure cooking technology. The Toshiba Induction Heating Rice Cooker offers precise induction heating for consistently excellent results, while the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its intelligent fuzzy logic technology, premium construction, compact design, and exceptional cooking consistency. When choosing a premium rice cooker, it's important to consider cooking capacity, heating technology, pressure cooking capability, induction heating, intelligent cooking programs, keep warm performance, ease of cleaning, timer functions, durability, and overall build quality. Selecting the right model will help you prepare consistently delicious rice while simplifying everyday meal preparation for years to come. That wraps up our top 5 best high-end rice cookers of 2026, best premium electric rice cookers. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or a large gathering, there's a premium rice cooker on this list that's perfect for your kitchen. Let us know in the comments which model you'd choose, or if you're already using one of these outstanding rice cookers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy perfectly cooked rice with every meal.